Have you ever seen massive masses of steel transform into rivers of fire in seconds? This is the hot rolling technology developed by SMS Group. Masses of steel, glowing with red flames, are rolled through rollers resistant to hundreds of tons of pressure, achieving perfect smoothness. Introducing the multi-needle embroidery machine. Within seconds, hundreds of needles move simultaneously in military formation, embroidering magnificent patterns onto the fabric. A single touch creates intricate motifs, logos, and incredible works of art. This machine is a veritable monster of a production machine, capable of shaping hundreds of pills in the blink of an eye. Powdered raw materials are compressed into perfectly shaped tablets in seconds. Would you like to see fine threads combine in a dazzling dance and transform into braids as strong as steel? Here's the Textile braiding machine. Dozens of threads spin and braid in perfect harmony, creating robust cables, ropes, and technical textiles, the unsung heroes of engineering. Think of the moment when steel is red hot in the fire. Then suddenly it is rapidly wound on the wildly rotating shafts, and before our very eyes the steel becomes elastic, like a living muscle. Imagine, no welding wire, no extra material. Two giant pieces of metal become one simply by using speed, pressure, and the power of friction. This incredible technology is called MTI friction welding. With its impressive hydraulic power, it bends meters of pipe with millimetric precision. It's hard to believe, but this machine shapes pipelines stretching from giant oil facilities to the heart of skyscrapers at the perfect angle. In this incredible footage, you'll see how massive factory machines work. Each one moves in perfect harmony, transforming production into a work of art. Baffling speed, immense power, and boundless engineering. It's impossible not to be captivated. Here are the Apillion machines. This system, which produces massive pipes at incredible speed, demonstrates the most fascinating aspects of power and engineering. Steel sheets are bent, welded, and transformed into perfect pipes in just a few steps. Kimla machines cut steel, aluminum, and many other materials with incredible precision, millimetric accuracy, cuts in the blink of an eye, and flawless results. This impressive feat of engineering captivates everyone who watches it. The chocolate assembly robot works at incredible speed, seamlessly assembling each piece. Shaped with millimetric precision, the chocolates achieve their perfect appearance in minutes. Industry and flavor meet on the same stage with this robot. Have you ever seen flat cardboard boxes transformed into perfect boxes in seconds? The automatic box folding machine works at incredible speed, shaping each piece to perfect dimensions. Hundreds of boxes are ready in seconds. Speed, order, and engineering come together in this machine. In this scene where yarns blend in perfect harmony, circular knitting machines create magic. Hundreds of needles in constant motion knit the fabric in seconds. Fine yarns are transformed into wide, flexible, and perfectly textured textiles in minutes. Speed, precision, and endless production power all in one machine. Would you like to see tons of carpets cleaned to perfection at the same time? Our carpet washing machine factory uses massive drums, powerful brushes, and automated systems to give every carpet a brand new look. Imagine steel being shaped as if it were at your fingertips. Bystronic bends, giant sheets of metal with incredible precision, creating perfect angles and forms. The industry's most complex parts are manufactured flawlessly in minutes. Power, speed, and perfection combine in this machine. The Engel Duo 900, a massive injection molding machine, fills plastic raw materials into molds under high pressure, producing perfect products in seconds. The combination of speed, power, and precision transforms industrial production into a true spectacle. Boucherie-Borgie machines work at incredible speed, precisely placing thousands of bristles and transforming an ordinary plastic body into a ready-to-use brush. Hundreds of products are created in minutes, and the process is truly captivating to watch. Would you like to see how the world's most durable ropes are produced? Fatzer AG's wire rope machines weave thin steel wires together in perfect harmony, turning them into giant cables capable of carrying tons of load. Splice GmbH machines are revolutionizing the textile world, reconnecting broken threads in seconds. The result? Strong, seamless, and production-ready joints. While it may seem like a minor detail, this technology is the unsung hero of the textile industry. Would you like to see metal sheets transformed into perfect forms in seconds? The Amada HRBATC bending machine combines speed and precision with its automatic tool changer. Every part is bent with millimeter precision, and the production process unfolds like flawless choreography. This is the perfect harmony of power and technology.